Rakshit.
Good evening, everyone. On this festive occasion to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of Mary Immaculate School, I wish to offer my profound regards to the distinguished members of the Congregation of Sisters of Mary Immaculate for having built and nurtured this fine institution called the Mary Immaculate School. I also wish to congratulate all members of the staff, teachers, parents, ex-students, and of course the students for putting up this fine and spectacular show that will last for next 3 days beginning today. Let's all join hands to offer tribute to Bishop Morrow, who had the vision to lay the foundations of this fine institution. I am extremely lucky that I am getting the opportunity to be here in this school for the second occasion, the first time being on the annual sports day, and to say a few words to you. The school has a glorious history. It has a strong foundation and a bright future. As the District Magistrate of Murshidabad, on this occasion, I too am getting a slice of this history being here, and I thank Principal Solly especially for this matter. The people of Behrampur town and of the district have benefited immensely from this school. Generations after generations of ex-students who are associated with this school and who have joined hands to form the Alumni Association speaks volumes for the high regards that they hold their alma mater. The district of Murshidabad is one of the backward districts in our state. Even though the district is rich in resources of all kinds, however, if we do not have the human potential to utilize those resources, the district remains backward. I think educationally, or the educational upliftment is one of the important ways in which any place can become prosperous and can develop. In this field, Mary Immaculate School will continue to remain in the forefront and as a benchmark for the entire district. I again wish to express my profound thanks to all those who have built this institution and nurtured this. And let's all join our hands to give a big round of applause to the children who have worked so hard, and I will not come in between to let us enjoy the program. Thank you, everyone.
That day, I was traveling to Shiliguri by bus. I found that the roads were being widened.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, we didn't have to face any traffic congestion. Oh, it was such a comfortable journey.
And I bet you got to see many scenic beauties on the way to Shiliguri.
What scenic beauties?
Yes, trees, greeneries.
Trees. I found none.
Why?
I think, they were cut down to construct the road.
But trees provide us with oxygen, which is very essential for our survival.
Yes, but why only oxygen? Trees provide us so much more.
Then are we not harming our environment?
Yes, you are right. Okay, let's see how.
রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে 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 গগনে ঘন ঘটা সে হরে তরুলতা গগনে ঘন ঘটা সে হরে তরুলতা ময়ূর ময়ূরী নাচেছে হরষে ময়ূর ময়ূরী নাচেছে হরষে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে দিশি দিশি সচকিত দামিনী চমকিত দিশি দিশি সচকিত দামিনী চমকিত চমকি উঠিছে হরিণী পলাশে চমকি উঠিছে হরিণী পলাশে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে রিমঝিম ঘন ঘন রে বরষে
Duty to save trees so that we may have a better future ahead of us.
Next up tonight is a recitation by Subhayan Pandey of Class 4.
নমস্কার। বিদ্রোহী কবি কাজী নজরুল ইসলামের কবিতা লিচু চোর। বাবুদের তাল পুকুরে হাবুদের তাল পুকুরে সে কি বাস করলে তারা বলি থাম একটু দাঁড়া পুকুরের ওই কাছে না লিচুর এক গাছ আছে না কোথা না আসতে গিয়ে এরা বড় কাস্তে নিয়ে গাছে গিয়ে যেই চড়েছি ছোট এক ডাল ধরেছি ও বাবা মরাত করে পড়েছি সরাত জোরে পড়বি পর মালির ঘাড়ে সে ছিল গাছের আড়ে বেটা ভাই বড় নটসার তোমার দুধ গোটা দুধ চার দিলে খুব কিলো ঘুষি একদম জোরসে ঠুসি আমিও বাগিয়ে থাপড় দেহাওয়া চাগিয়ে কাপড় লাফিয়ে ডিঙ্গু দেওয়াল দেখি এক ভিটরে শেয়াল আরে থাক শেয়াল কোথা ডিলোটা দাঁড়িয়ে কোথা দেখে যে আটকে ওঠা কুকুরও জুড়লে ছোটা আমি কই কম্ব কাবার কুকুরেই করবে সাবার বাবা গো মা গো বলে পাঁচিলের ফোকল গলে ঢুকি গিয়ে বসদের ঘরে যেন প্রাণ আসলো ধরে যাব ফের কার বলে ভাই চুরিতে আর যদি যাই তবে মোর নাম মিছা কুকুরের চামড়া খিচা সে কি ভাই যাই রে ভুলা মালির ওই পিকনিগুলা কি বলিস ফের হপ্তা তওবা নাক খপ্তা নমস্কার
Recitation.
By the way, Shopradeep, what are your opinions about pillows?
Pillows. Pillows are used for sleeping.
No dear, this is an era of multi-purpose equipments. Pillows can do something else too.
What? Come on. Don't tell me you're going to have a pillow fight with me. This is a stage.
Oh no, I'm not in a mood to fight with you now. In fact, everybody is in a mood of celebrations and the pillows too.
Really? Pillows too?
Yes, I will show you that pillows can dance too with the jubilee bells of Ramayas. They are not only used for sleeping.
Ridiculous. Pillows can dance. But how?
It's magic.
Now, I would like to request our guest of honor tonight, Sister Lisette, the Superior General of the Sisters of Mary Immaculate, to come forward and say a few words.
Rajiv Kumar, Magistrate of Murshidabad District, Sister Lorraine, Provincial Superior of Kolkata Province, other honorable guests, respected guardians, staff, students, Past People's Association, and all well-wishers. Today, I stand before this august gathering. I cannot but lift my heart and mind to God our Father for His innumerable blessings upon our Mary Immaculate School and the wonders He has done for His establishment and expansion. The Golden Jubilee is a time of introspection as well as a time of celebration and thanksgiving. It is an occasion to recognize and thank the Lord for the enormous good the school has done during these past 50 years for the all-round education and formation of thousands of students, mostly of the district of Murshidabad. Over the years, it has produced quality sons and daughters for our families, well-behaving citizens for our locality and nation. At this juncture, we also express our gratitude to all those who have been instrumental towards it. I express my gratitude and indebtedness to our revered father founder, Bishop Luis Larova Moro, whose great desire was that every child should get his or her right to education, and he worked diligently towards it. He was very fond of children and lavished the best of all that he could obtain by prayer, blessings, and Herculean effort for the well-being of the children of his diocese, both in English and Bengali medium schools. I remember with love and gratitude also the tireless efforts of the pioneers of our institute who stood by our father founder and shouldered the administrative responsibility with love, commitment, courage, and enthusiasm. My sincere appreciation goes to all our past superiors at all levels, principals, sisters, and the faculty, officials, the student body, parents, past pupils, friends, and benefactors who have played a great role in the growth and development of the school. I am delighted to see the enthusiastic collaboration of our Past People's Association in its multifarious activities. Let us give them a... On this happy occasion, I urge you to rededicate yourselves to the task of forming human persons